Greetings to everyone, this is your host Ash Khan and you are watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. In today's bulletin,
GPU sales rise amid the pandemic. The news comes from analyst firm John Patti Research, which revealed that over the past quarter, sales for graphics processing units increased by 13.4%. According to the report, GPU sales have been more robust than normal, and this is thanks to the increased popularity of PC gaming and purchases at home due to the pandemic. Crypto mining also contributed to this increase. JPR reports a healthy sales figure of 11.5 million in the quarter. This falls short of 114 million graphic cards sold in 1999, but that was before Intel started integrating GPUs directly into their processors and before laptops grew in popularity. PM to bring about more improvement in power sector. Prime Minister Imran Khan stressed for all necessary measures to bring about further improvement in power sector, and all the stakeholders should fulfill their responsibilities within the specific time. He directed for the formulation of a system under which the subsidy was available only for the poor and deserving people. The Prime Minister chaired a review meeting regarding power sector reforms. The meeting was briefed in detail about the administrative matters relating to power sector, cost of power generation and distribution system. Digital payment system to be introduced in KPK. A digital payment system to be introduced by the Department of Science and Information Technology, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in the province. Ziaullah Bangash, advisor to Chief Minister KPK on Science and Information Technology, has issued directives to put things into motion and move towards digital payments. It was stated by the advisor to CM that a digital payment system will be introduced in the province by June 2021, and it was necessary to introduce a digital payment system for the betterment of the national economy. According to the reports, that KPK is rapidly moving towards digitalization as per Prime Minister Imran Khan's Digital Pakistan vision and rapidly promoting the technology sector in the province. Dr. Faisal for strict measures to control rising number of COVID-19 cases. Dr. Faisal Sultan, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Health, said the government could take strict measures to control rising number of COVID-19 cases in the country. During an interview, he said people were not following the SOPs given by the government for combating the second wave of coronavirus. About complete lockdown policy, he said the PTI government was not in favor of complete shutdown due to economic conditions of daily wage workers and labor community. Regarding the vaccine, he said that the priority would be given to frontline workers discharging duties in the hospitals. No gas outages for export-oriented industry. A tweet by Abdul Razak Daud, advisor to the Prime Minister on Commerce and Investment, was that the export-oriented industry will be supplied uninterrupted gas this winter. The exact tweet by the advisor was, "We are now heading into the winter and there may be gas shortages." The government has decided that for export-oriented industry, there will be no outages of gas supply. However, if such outages do occur, please let the MOC know the exporters to aggressively market their products in geographically diversified areas. In November, Sindh Energy Minister Imtiaz Ahmed Sheikh had said domestic gas crisis in the province has intensified with the advent of winter, while the federal government has done nothing about it. Although the winter has barely arrived, domestic consumers have begun experiencing gas shortage already, while the province was being compelled to buy expensive gas, notwithstanding the fact that it produces it locally.
thank you for watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. This is I, Ash Khan. See you in the next bulletin. Until then, take care and goodbye.